Come fishing with us.
No Brady edition.
We're back at the marina. Brady isn't here. Cake Boy's really excited. He's really excited to fish today. Oh, thank you.
Where's the bait? There's no bait.
Are you kidding? You didn't pack bait?
No, we don't have any bait.
You told me you were gonna pack bait.
I did not tell you anything.
Cakey reckons there's big fish over there.
So we've got prawns for bait again.
Oh! Cake Boy's lost his Crocs. Can someone send Cake Boy some new Crocs? So I've casted it out. Funny. Look how nice the fishmobile looks. I need to put my hair behind my ears, but my fingers are prawny.
Oh, same.
Can you do it?
Oh, yeah, why not?
No, that's all you need to do. Just
There's quite a few trevallies and little like zebra-looking fish. Hopefully we catch some.
fucking hope so. Oop. My hair is stressing me out. There's this breeze and my fingers are covered in prawn. Honey, stop.
I just got some prawns from Jet. Shout out to Jet over there.
So Cake Boy's stimming. Someone literally just drove past and yelled out Cake Boy. Look at him. He's too invested in these fish. Are you snagged on that oyster? What are you doing? You're all over the place. Oh my god.
Trevally schooling.
Trevally, I didn't know they go to school. Oh my god, it's making noises.
I'll take it off. Cake Boy, you need to stop feeding them.
Cake Boy, don't feed the fish, catch them.
That's my thing.
Cake Boy was on for a second, apparently with his rainbow rod. First fish in 10 videos.
Shut up.
What is that?
Taylor, it's a Taylor.
Okay, now we have the same issue that we had earlier. How are we getting it off the hook? Usually Bridie gets it off the hook for us.
No, it's me. It's my fish that I caught. I've never released one.
Release him.
I've never released one. It's unfair.
What do you want?
Comment down below if I should release one.
Cake Boy's gone crazy this video, guys. I've never seen him like this. Ooh! What was that? Are you actually on? Bonnie, don't lie. No, Bonnie, this is a joke.
I'm finna catch another one. Just gonna say, this is our goal. Really appreciate it if we get to go to the TikTok Awards. Subscribe, follow, anything that you're on. Please!
Cake Boy really wants to go to the TikTok Awards. He really wants to win Sport and Recreational Creator of the Year.
I've been watching videos for 3 years straight. I've always dreamed to be a professional YouTuber or TikToker.
Or fisherman.
Or fisherman, yeah.
Shit on my pants. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
What the hell? Is it the same, Taylor? Just pick it up. Oh my god, it's soft.